Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous lesson, we read about the movements, that there are three movements. The first one was fatha, a dash above the letter is called fatha, and then the kasra, a dash below the letter is called kasra, and then dhamma, a comma shape above the letter is called dhamma. And we also read that movements comes on the letters to tell us the sound of the letter. So in the previous lesson, we read sounds of some letters. So in this lesson, we have 6 more letters. So we will read these letters in this lesson, inshallah. So before starting, we have to read Ta'awuz and Tasmiyah. I'm reading, so read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the first letter we have is Jim. Okay. So now we have to read it as we were reading before. First the letter, then the sign, and then at the end sound. So the letter is Jim and the sign is Fatha and the sound will be Ja. You remember that I told you we have to read the letter short. The sound of letter should be short, and also we have to read it softly, in soft voice. We don't have to make a jerking voice. So Jim, Fatha, Ja. Jim, Fatha, Ja. The next one, Jim, Kasra, Ji. Jim, Kasra, Ji. And when Jim has Dhamma, Jim, Dhamma, Ju. Jim, Dhamma, Ju. Ja, Ji, Ju. The next letter is Sheen. And when Sheen has Fatha, Sheen, Fatha, Sha. Sheen, Fatha, Sha. Next, Sheen, Kasra, Shi. Sheen, Kasra, Shi. Sheen, Kasra, Shi. Then Sheen, Dhamma, Shu. Sheen, Dhamma, Shu. The sounds will be Sha, Shi, Shu. Sha, Shi, Shu. The next letter is Ya. So Ya, Fatha, Ya. Ya, Fatha, Ya. Ya, Fatha, Ya. Then Ya has Kasra here. Ya, Kasra, Yi. Ya, Kasra, Yi. Ya, Kasra, Yi. Then Ya has Dhamma here. Ya, Dhamma, Yu. Ya, Dhamma, Yu. Ya, Dhamma, Yu. Ya, Yi, Yu. Ya, Yi, Yu. Then the next letter we have here is Bod. So while reading this, we have to keep in mind that this is one of the bold letters. So when we have to read this, we have to make a bold voice. So first, Bod Fatha Do. Bod Fatha Do. Look, we are making the bold voice. Bod Fatha Do. Bod Fatha Do. And when Bod has Kasra, Bod Kasra Di. Bod Kasra Di. Bod Kasra Di. And when Bod had Dhamma, Bod Dhamma Du. Bod Dhamma Du. Bod Dhamma Du. The sounds will be Ba, Di, Du. Ba, Di, Du. Then the next letter is Lam. And when Lam has Fatha on it, Lam, Fatha, La. First the letter, then sign, and then at the end sound. Lam, Fatha, La. Lam, Fatha, La. And when it has Kasra, Lam, Kasra, Li. Lam, Kasra, Li. Lam, Kasra, Li. And when it has Dhamma, Lam, Dhamma, Lu. Lam, Dhamma, Lu. And sounds will be La, Li, Lu. The next letter is Noon. So when Noon has Fatha, so we will read it like Noon Fatha Na. Noon Fatha Na. Noon Fatha Na. And when it has Kasra, Noon Kasra Ni. Noon Kasra Ni. And when it has Dhamma, Noon Dhamma Nu. Noon Dhamma Nu. The sounds will be Na, Ni, Nu. So we did 6 letters today. We have completed 6 letters today. Those letters were Jim, Sheen, Ya, Bod, Lam, and Noon. Okay, so you have to practice these letters. Let's read the sounds again. I'm reading the sounds, just the sounds. So you have to read it with me. Ja, Ji, Ju, Sha, She, Shu, Ya, Yi, Yu, Ba, Di, Bu, La, Li, Lu, Na, Ni, Nu. Okay, so you have to practice this and the previous lesson also. So then inshallah tomorrow we will read the remaining letters with these fatha, kasra, and dhamma.